Hi, my name is Ashley. I am a physical therapist at Performance Therapies. Today I am going to be showing you how to use a peanut roller. So a peanut roller is good because it combines the myofascial techniques of a foam roller, but the localized pressure of a lacrosse or tennis ball. You can purchase your own or you can make one. This one is just two tennis balls taped together. I'm going to show you a couple areas that are my favorite to use a peanut roller today. So the first one is going to be for tension headaches. A lot of times when you have a tension headache, you have tightness up at the base of your head. So the peanut roller is good because you can place it there and it will act to help release some of that tension in those muscles. So let me show you here today. So you'll want to lay on a firm surface, and then you are going to place your peanut roller just at the base of your head. So you'll feel your skull and you'll want to put it just right below that. You'll position it there, and then you can just take a few deep breaths there, hold, and relax in this position. I try to tell people to stay, if you can stay in this position for 30 to 60 seconds, that's usually enough time to help those muscles to relax. While you're in this position, another good area to address is some neck tightness or tension. So you can just move that peanut roller down, and then it is going to act to release some tension on either side of your neck. Now, if this position is uncomfortable, you can place a pillow under your head and you can still have the same benefits. You'll be a little bit more aggressive with it, pushing your head down. What is nice about the peanut roller is it acts to provide tension in those muscles, but it cradles your spine so you don't have the direct pressure right on your spinous process, so it's a little bit more comfortable compared to a foam roller. Another use I like to use, so it's a good, because of the shape, you can find some different trigger points in your muscles. So say you want to work your calf and maybe the foam roller is not getting in deep enough, and you're having trouble with just one of the tennis balls or lacrosse ball. You can use the peanut roller the same way you would use the lacrosse ball or foam roller, and you might find some just other areas of tension because of the shape, and it can get in there and provide that localized pressure. And then one more area that I like to use, so you would want to take your peanut roller, make sure you can find an open wall. So you can use the peanut roller to help with your thoracic mobility. Again, it's great because of the shape. It is going to provide the pressure on the muscles while cradling your spine. So if you can place that peanut roller in your mid-back right up against the wall, you can just lean into the wall, or I like to do a few little mini squats, and then it's going to just massage that area, and you can just move that peanut roller up and down wherever you feel like you have the most tightness, and then just work your way up and down for however long you want to apply the pressure for. Hopefully you find these techniques useful and helpful. As I mentioned before, you can purchase your own peanut roller, or you can make it with just two tennis balls and a roll of tape. If you stay tuned, I will show you a video on how you can make your own. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Ta-da!